In this lesson, we'll learn a new Kiwaha, or idiom. The idiom is ana tō kai. Ana tō kai literally translates to that's your food. But it means serves you right, or that's what you get. It's to tell someone they deserve it. Kind of like you reap what you sow. So if you run on the mattresses inside the whare tipuna, or ancestral house, which is a big tikanga no-no by the way, and you trip and fall, someone might say to you, ana tō kai, that's what you get. Or should I say, you've made your bed. Now sleep in it. Get it? Because we're running on the mattresses? Anyway, that's our Kiwaha of the day. Ana tō kai. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.